Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to compare two Excel sheets and find the differences. There are two methods, one is vertical view and second is conditional formatting. Let's begin with vertical view. Vertical view we are using if we have a very less data and it will help you easily to understand. See here you can see my version book is 1 and now I'm going on this view tab and new windows. You can see it here clearly, new windows. Just click on this one. What it will do, it will create here for you version 1-2 file and it will be a similar file. There will be no change in it, so we will see it now how it will work. Again go to view and arrange and select here vertical and OK. Now you can see my both the files are here and version 1 and version 2 it's here now. I'm going to compare it with each other. Okay. What formula you need to hear? No formula. Only you will compare manually that what is different here and what is different here. Okay. Now I have a very big data with me and I want to use the files. I will close these files, the small data, and now I have this file with me which is having a very big data with me. Its number of information is available and I want to compare this data with the data sheet 2. Now how it will perform? The same method, view, new windows, and it will create the same version for you and just go back again and arrange vertical. Okay, you can see it here now, the data is available with us. And now what I will do, I will use a conditional formatting formula here. Go to conditional formatting and new rule. Under the new rule, you'll select here, use a formula to determine which cell to format. And come back here, you will click here, equals to sign, and then select sheet 1, version 1 file, and you can see here the $sign is coming. You need to just click F4 twice and it will remove. Only you need A1 cell. You can do it manually or it's up to you. Now the second data file which is here, I want to compare. Okay, just I need to select first this file and now I'll come back on this point again. New rule equals to this and I just click F4 and I need this one and then greater than and less than sign and then click on the second tab. Again F4. Okay, now format this one to fill this color red and font will be white. Okay, what happens? Nothing. It is not showing anything. What is the problem? The problem is we selected only this data cell, which is wrong. We have to select all our data. Control Shift right and Control Shift down and all my data is selected here. Now you will see the impact of this one. Now format cell conditional, manage rule, delete the existing rule and create the new one equals to this value and then press F4, greater than, less than sign and then again data sheet 2 value and F4, remove the $sign, format, font I need it white and background fill is red. Okay. Now you can see here wherever the difference is coming, it is showing us the red. For example, if I will make any change here, you will see at the same time it is changing. See, wherever the change will appear, it will automatically show. See here, for example, now instead of I'll make it the contract, you can see it here in this line, the difference is available. Okay, and if you want here in this one, for example, I will select here instead of this one. Okay, this one is LTPA and it will appear as it is. And here is the difference in these columns. These are the two methods which you can use for the heavy data. Wherever you are having the big data, then you have to select the conditional formatting, and if you don't have that, you can use a vertical method. Thank you very much. Feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments.